you've decided, yes, I'm going to use the frame, but it's only going to be really helpful when you do this one thing. Hello and welcome back to my channel where I help you slay your career and cultivate the successful life you deserve. For the best career success advice on the www, click the subscription button and the notification bell. I release 2 new videos each week, except this month, because this month I've been getting so many LinkedIn questions that I decided to do bonus videos to answer the most common questions that I've been getting lately. And today we're going to be talking about LinkedIn Open to Work. Should you use LinkedIn Open to Work? Is it a good idea? Should you use the frame on your profile? Well, in today's video, I'm first of all going to show you how to actually use LinkedIn Open to Work. And then once you know the how and the settings and what you can actually do with Open to Work, we're gonna figure out how you should actually use it as part of your job search strategy using LinkedIn. If that sounds good, tap that like button and let's jump into it. So the first thing you're going to do to activate Open to Work on your profile is actually just a few easy steps. So I'm going to jump into LinkedIn right now so that I can show you. Log into LinkedIn and go to your profile, and you are going to where it says add profile section. You will expand the intro section and choose looking for a new job. Here you can add different job titles that you would be interested in. So I'm just going to choose like sales manager. You can choose your location. It will default to your current location, but if you want to add any additional locations, you can do that here. Indicate your start date. So are you actively looking? Are you available immediately, or is it flexible? You would choose flexible if you're just kind of looking around to see what's out there. Indicate your job type. Is it full-time, remote? Are you looking for a contract? And then the piece de resistance in LinkedIn Open to Work that we're really going to be diving into is choose who sees you're open. You have 2 options here. First, you can share with all LinkedIn members, and this is automatically going to add the Open to Work frame to your profile. Second, you can choose to share with recruiters only. So this is going to be for recruiters who are using LinkedIn Recruiter as part of their sourcing strategy. And when you choose this, the frame is not going to be added to your profile photo. So those are your 2 options there. Once you do actually click to add this to your profile, you are going to be prompted, if it's an open search, to let people know that you are open to work. So it generates a post for you. It's just some standard text that you can post to let your professional network know that you are looking for your next opportunity. Let's talk now about whether or not you should use LinkedIn Open to Work and how you should use it. First of all, if you are open to opportunities, and especially if you're actively looking for work right now, you should have Open to Work turned on your profile. At minimum, this is going to boost your visibility to recruiters who are looking for talent like you. Most of the recruiters that I know do actually choose the Open to Work filter when they are using their LinkedIn Recruiter accounts, because they don't want to waste time talking to people who are not interested in moving jobs. So if you are looking for work anywhere on the scale of you would move for the right opportunity and don't mind if recruiters contact you, to you're looking for a job and you're ready to start today, you should have Open to Work turned on your profile. The real question I think most people have is, should they have the frame on their profile? The answer to this is very simple if you're in a stealth job search. So if you're in a job right now and you do not want your boss or anyone at your company to know that you're open to new opportunities, do not turn on that everyone on LinkedIn can see it. Everyone can see your banner when you turn it on. It is going to be on your profile photo, and in no time your boss is going to see it, and they're gonna call you and ask you about it, and that's probably something that you want to avoid, hence the stealth job search. If you are actively looking though, this actually becomes much more of a gray area. One thing that I will say is, especially with everything that has happened lately and with LinkedIn's rollout of this feature, a lot of people are using it. So you're not going to stick out like a sore thumb. People aren't going to be thinking, oh my gosh, there's a desperate loser who's looking for a job. Most people are being very, very helpful. And I do think that this can be helpful for your network to have that reminder, even if it's a subconscious reminder that you are available, so that if they have an opportunity or they hear about an opportunity that you would be a good fit for, they actually remember to think of you and they know that you're actually looking. But there is something that I want you to consider, and this isn't to say that you should not use the frame, but it is something that I think you need to know about in order to make the right decision for you. Most companies still maintain a bias towards passive job seekers. That's the talent that they have to go out and they have to search for. They're not coming to them. The reason for this is a lot of hiring managers and a lot of recruiters hold the misconception that the best talent doesn't need to look for jobs, that they're always high in demand, that they'll never be available, and they have to go and find them and convince them to leave. Now, this is obviously not true. Some of the most talented people that I have encountered across my career have been impacted with the COVID recession. And yes, many of them have used the open for work frame. There is one important thing that I really want you to make sure that you do when you do turn that frame on. If you're listening and you've decided, yes, I'm going to use the frame, I don't think it's going to hurt. And honestly, I don't think it's going to hurt your search at all. In fact, there are ways that it can really help, but it's only going to be really helpful when you do this one thing. You need to be proactive in helping your network know what you're actually looking for and exactly how they can help you. When you post about being open to work using that standard text, people are going to like, they might comment, you might get a few messages, and they might be really generic, like, let me know if I can help. Approach people in your network with very specific ways that they can help you when you know that there's someone who can help you, such as by making an introduction or giving you a referral for an opportunity at their company. Also do this by regularly commenting and posting on LinkedIn so that people know what you are bringing to the table, and it's going to help them find you and help you to get to that next opportunity, which is hopefully going to be your dream job. No matter if you're using the LinkedIn open to work frame or you're not going to use it, there is one thing that I'm going to be very, very insistent on. And if you do this, I might just throw a bowl of wet noodles at you. I don't know, but please don't do this no matter what you do. You should not have seeking new opportunities in your LinkedIn profile headline. It's a waste of space and it's not going to help your search. Make sure if you haven't already to subscribe, because my next video is going to give you the LinkedIn profile headline formula for when you're searching for a job and what to have as your LinkedIn profile headline if you're currently unemployed. I'd love to hear from you after watching this. Are you going to use the open to work frame? Let me know in the comments down below. Oh, really important, another bonus tip for you. You guys, like, this is your lucky day. When you do turn on open to work, having an optimized LinkedIn profile so that when someone visits your profile, they're really like, wow, this person is amazing. I need to give them an interview right now, is super duper important. If your profile isn't quite there yet, go and check out this video right now so that you learn about the LinkedIn optimization zones so that you can make your profile stand out. If this video was helpful, if it helped you decide if open to work was right for you, please do give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel with the whole YouTube algorithm thing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.